Well, what a stellar win it has been for India, winning the bronze in that hockey match. Let's go right across to Rika Roy joining us live from Paris. Rika, India's big hockey win. There are scenes of celebration, tears of joy that we're seeing right here. What's the mood there?
Well, the mood is ecstatic, Rishika. After days of being regaled to fourth place finish, India finally has clinched a medal. Even though it's a bronze, I can say it's a historic bronze once again. Ever since 1972, India has been able to defend a bronze medal that we won in Tokyo. Now we once again won in Paris. PR Srijesh, the biggest hero of this hour. In fact, he had said earlier that he is going to play his last match for the India hockey team when they played their last match in Tokyo. And today it was. Every member of the side said that they are going to play and perform for PR Srijesh and give him that podium finish. It's not just that, at the end of the match, you would have seen the way the players celebrated, the way Srijesh celebrated. I'm joined by two fans who have traveled all the way from India. And let me also, try speaking to them. Ma'am, tell us, your first reaction of being inside the stadium and watching India claim the bronze medal.
It's been brilliant. We were ecstatic, of course. And and I saw the crowds. It's amazing the amount of support they had. How much support we have now from India. It was really nice. It was so good.
Very proud of India.
Yeah, very proud of India. India.
What was the best moment for the both of you in the game?
The end.
Definitely the end.
The end.
The end.
Counting the last minute. Every
There's
minute.
a 5-minute countdown, 5-second countdown, everything.
Yeah.
Couldn't wait.
Yeah, and you were saying that you've seen Olympics for a very long time, but you've never seen that kind of support that you're seeing now.
Now,
for
I gradually.
Indian team.
Yeah. I gradually since I've been to the first Olympics with my husband, my father-in-law, to the Los Angeles Olympics, and the support there in comparison to the support now in the last few years is amazing. It's amazing. Yeah.
And who would you say was the biggest hero for you in this match and in this
I would say the goalkeeper.
Yeah,
Saved a lot. Well done. Very proud.
Yes, everyone's been talking about PR Srijesh and his performance in this edition of the Olympic Games. Thank you very much, ma'am. That the way he has stood tall in front of India's defense, even when India had to shoot penalties, it was this man that they depended on to get over the finish line. And time and again, when there were waves of attack by the opposition team, it was PR Srijesh who bailed India out during the competition. He has played 20 years of top-level hockey. This was his fourth Olympic Games. He has seen the days of despair that...
Right. Well, absolutely. It is a podium farewell for PR Srijesh, and what a farewell it is, Ria. But also, Harmanpreet Singh converted 2 penalty corners, and with that, of course, India secured those, back-to-back medals at the Olympics as well, having also won bronze in Tokyo 3 years back. And that was for the first time in 52 years. So the last time India won back-to-back medals at the Olympics, it was in 68 and 72. But PR Srijesh, the day definitely belongs to him. He was, of course, playing his final match for India, and he made some extraordinary saves, Rika.
Rishika, please come back to me. Please come back to me. Please come back to me.
We are live with you, Rika. Go ahead.
We are also joined. Yeah, we are joined by the former captain of the Indian hockey team, Dilip Tirke, and also the president of Indian Hockey Federation. Sir, your first reaction, आपका पहला reaction to India's win. आपने हमें बोला था कि इंडिया ये डिफेंड करेगी. आप बताइए आपका पहला reaction क्या है?
मैं काफी खुश हूँ. हमारी टीम काफी खुश है इस बात से कि लास्ट ओलंपिक्स में गोल्ड मेडल जीते थे और हर एक खिलाड़ी ने इस बात को
All right, I'm afraid we're losing that line with Rika. We'll just try and reconnect with her in just a bit. But like I said, the Indian players there, they almost mobbed Srijesh after that full-time whistle, capping off the brilliant farewell for the 36-year-old goalkeeper. India winning its second consecutive bronze in the Olympics. It is a big win for the country. Of course, disappointed after that last loss against Germany. But India there winning against Spain in that 2-1 finish at the Paris Olympics, ensuring that they bring home a bronze medal. All right, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also tweeted to congratulate the hockey team. Of course, the entire country is celebrating the historic win. We have reactions that are coming in from the family members of the team as well. Let's listen in to what PR Srijesh's wife said a short while ago.
Actually, words cannot express the pride and joy that I feel now. Achieving a bronze medal for India in the retirement match is truly a reward for his passion and dedication for hockey. And I'm actually speechless. We all are proud of him. He had made us happy in so many unforgettable moments. We all are proud of him.
All right, so this of course is the big story. PR Srijesh's wife there speaking at the moment. Of course, it's a proud moment for them. We heard his daughter as well earlier saying that she's very sad that this is his last match, but very happy that he's going to be home full time. So, a moment of celebration, a moment of joy, whether it is, those who are in Paris celebrating or, back home. We had a lot of visuals of celebration coming in from across the length and breadth of India, sweets being distributed as, of course, the men's hockey team scripts history at the Paris Olympic Games, winning its second consecutive bronze. Now remember, this is historic. The last time that India managed this feat was 52 years ago when we won 2 consecutive medals in the Olympics, which was 68 and 72. That is the last time that India won back-to-back hockey medals at the Paris Olympics. But the day really belongs to the veteran goalkeeper PR Srijesh, who was playing his final match for India, made some extraordinary saves from the penalty corner. And of course, it was what a finish for him and what a farewell for him by the entire team. So hockey bronze for India as the men's team scripts history, clinching that bronze medal in the Paris Games. It was a huge disappointment after they lost against Germany. Otherwise, they would have been competing in that final, fighting for the gold. But well, that wasn't to be so. Indian team winning its second consecutive bronze medal, with Indian players literally mobbing Srijesh after that full-time whistle, capping off the brilliant farewell for the 36-year-old. There is a lot to look forward to still as far as the Olympic Games are concerned. Remember, we're looking forward to Neeraj Chopra's match later this evening. He is in the javelin finals as well. We're also looking forward to what happens in wrestling with Aman Sherawat, who is also one win away from the medal after he stormed into the semis in the men's 57 kg wrestling event. So those are two things that we're looking forward to, a medal for Neeraj Chopra and Aman Sherawat, as of course the big headline at the moment is India winning its second consecutive bronze, as the men's hockey team has scripted history. After 52 years, India has won its second consecutive medal in hockey. This is a huge moment for the entire country. Like I said, we have visuals of celebration coming in from across different parts of the country, and of course the entire contingent celebrating in Paris. Harmanpreet Singh converted 2 penalty corners, and with this India secured back-to-back medals at the Olympics, having also won a bronze in Tokyo 3 years back for the very first time in 52 years. So that was the last time. The last time that India won 2 consecutive medals was 68 and 72. So like I said, Indian hockey team there has achieved a remarkable feat that has taken over 5 decades in a certain sense to replicate, with that 2-1 victory against Spain in the Paris Olympics 2024. So India has not only secured a bronze medal in the men's hockey, but like I said, achieved back-to-back Olympic podium finishes for the very first time since 1972. It's a historic achievement that follows the Indian hockey team's thrilling comeback in Tokyo 3 years ago when they overcame that 1-3 defeat to win 5-4 claim and win that third position in Tokyo. They're repeating their success. They have, of course, clinched the bronze tonight, defeating Spain in that 2-1 match. So this is the big story that we are tracking. We're trying to reconnect with my colleague Rika. She will hopefully be joining us in just a moment from now. But Indian men's hockey team scripting Olympic history. They will bring back that bronze medal, ending a 52-year wait, like I said, to win consecutive bronze medals at the Paris Olympics. And what a match it was today. The day clearly belonged to veteran goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh, who was playing his final match for India, made some extraordinary saves from the penalty corners. And, it was what a send-off for him, a podium send-off for him. But it was 2 goals from the captain Harmanpreet Singh and crucial saves by P.R. Srijesh that were enough for India really. When, when it comes down to the match today, India broke that 4-decade-long jinx at the Tokyo Olympics, and 3 years later, here we are, breaking the 5-decade record and winning back-to-back medals. It was 2 goals though from Harmanpreet Singh, and of course those crucial saves by P.R. Srijesh that were, the big saves for India, ensuring that India shines at the Olympics, winning the bronze, beating Spain 2-1. We have, of course, reactions that are coming in at the moment from across the country. The parents of several of the hockey players also reacting. They said they were very nervous initially, but of course entirely ecstatic at the moment. It's been a big day as far as India is concerned at the Olympics. It isn't over, like I said. We will, of course, be looking forward to those 2 crucial matches today that are yet to happen. Whether it is Vinesh, of course, who's appealed in the Court of Arbitration, remains to be seen whether she's given the silver medal. We'll, of course, be watching out for Neeraj Chopra as he braces to defend his javelin crown tonight. And, of course, wrestler Aman Sherawat is a win away from a assured medal as he stormed into the semis of the men's 57 kg wrestling event. So, a lot to look forward to as far as Paris is concerned. We'll continue to bring you all the very latest action from the Paris Olympics here on NDTV. All right, so 13th medal for India, Indian hockey there. They have, of course, scripted history, and I believe Rika Roy is back with us. Rika, we lost that line with you, but I believe we have you back now. Take it away.
Thank you very much, Rishika. Let's also speak to some other hockey fans who've been here all the way. As I've been telling you, that people have come here from all over the world, and I have a young fan who's come here all the way from Dubai. Tell us your first reaction of having seen India lift this, bronze medal, claim this bronze medal, in fact, here in Paris.
So it was really exciting. I love hockey. It's actually my first time watching hockey in real life. And it was so exciting, like all the plays, I think we did a really good job today. We didn't have to rely too much on our goalkeeper this time, but we played a good all.
Right. Give us your reactions to having seen India defend the title here.
So yeah, technically we defended it, right?
Yeah.
I think it was a brilliant game. It was quite hot today, and the pace in the beginning was a bit slow. But as he said, Srijesh wasn't used much. That's our luck. And kudos to, I think, Harman, who scored, right? So he's the top scorer for the tournament. And we did a fabulous job. It was a good match, exciting. The last 2 minutes, penalty corner after another. It was really, it was interesting.
And we saw waves and waves of Spanish attack towards the end. The last 3 minutes, talk to us a little bit about that. Was your heart in your mouth?
I think, it was definitely, my heart was in my mouth, and it was my father's dream to watch a Olympics game. So
yeah.
I really wanted to bring him here, and the last minutes were actually so nail biting that we were almost there, and in the last second we were able to make it. So really happy about it. Unfortunately, we couldn't make the gold medal match, but we still have a bronze. So I'm
But you're happy to have
yes,
the bronze.
super happy.
Sir, you have seen years and years of hockey. Tell us a little bit about your thoughts on this team that has now defended its bronze medal.
My past when we used to it was all India always winning one gold, and that was hockey. But suddenly after Astroturf came in, and, AY, and we didn't have facilities that we have. So ultimately, it has taken us a lot of time. But ultimately, we have come. I think this team is capable of winning gold. But unfortunately, we made, I think, a couple of mistakes in Germany's match with Germany.
Right, right.
So that costed us that match. But we are really, really happy.
I think
And
three
there is
goals-
always a next Olympics. So.
there are three goals that are certain, right? So you have cricket next time. You have hockey as a gold, and javelins always has, right? So we should have three goals.
Well, they're talking about LA 28, Los Angeles. That's where the next Olympics go to. And the fans are hopeful that at least 3 golds for India are secured next time. One is from javelin, the second one from hockey, and the third one, of course, from cricket, because cricket makes its debut
And
at
And badminton as well. We shouldn't miss
Well,
badminton.
we have been very, very hopeful right now. You never know, and this is the 4th medal for us in the Olympic Games. But it's been really sad the way we've been missing medals. Also, we've missed 6 medals, 6 4th place finishes, and then Vinesh Fogart not managing to win a medal. A word on that, it's not just about getting to the podium, but the number of medals that we have missed also in the games.
That is true.
It is heartbreaking, but the fact is to be number 4 also is a good thing. People may not like it, but there's a lot of effort that goes. Each player makes a lot. And number 4 is, guys, it's good enough. Let's be happy with it.
Yeah.
A few more generations. See, sports is something that doesn't come naturally to Indians. So I somehow feel that a few more generations should.
Yes, 117 here in the Paris Olympic Games. They've all fought very hard to be in Paris, and now they are trying for a podium finish. The last few events left for us here in Paris Olympic Games tonight, of course, is Neeraj Chopra. We will have to see whether he ends up on the podium with a gold or not. But at the moment, the news that we are giving you from the hockey stadium in Paris is that India has successfully defended its bronze that they won at the Tokyo Games.